This is our 85 Chevy half ton. It's a heavy half. It's got aftermarket 16 by 8 wheels, Goodyear tires. This truck has an 8'6" Meyer Poly Pro. There's the 8-foot Pro from the other 3/4 ton. It's the same Ultra Tow spotlight as the other truck. This is our salt spreader truck. There's our Snow X spreader that we put in the receiver. The extra heavy suspension on here really comes into play. That 8.6 poly plow is so heavy that if you put it on, you'll go nowhere on gravel and two-wheel drive. The back tires will just spin. So it works good to be our salt truck. We drop a pallet of snow melter in the back, and that's perfect ballast for the plow. And generally what we do is I find a shovel monkey to go with me, and if I can't, I get my wife to drive. She doesn't really care for that. She doesn't like to back up all day long, but she's learning. And then somebody gets in the back, and we dump the salt through the little spreader as we go, so we don't run out. Works really good. It's not always the funnest thing to do. I got toolbox here. It's your basic tools and spare parts. Got a 1.5 ton of aluminum race jack from Harbor Freight in there. They're a nice little jack when they go on sale for 69 or 79 bucks or whatever they are. They're real nice to have. Plan on putting one in every truck as time goes by. I got a little torch in there in case we were if we were to put a snowblower, or if we were going to run support for one of our snowblower people who maybe didn't have a torch. Try to keep everything in every truck, but you know how that goes. As the boss, I end up doing a lot of chasing, helping my subcontractors with problems they may encounter. And that's okay. We couldn't do it without them, and we appreciate their help. So, a couple other toolboxes on the side here. Storage, always a premium on a regular cab truck. We've got the beacon on this truck. Not sure how many different flash patterns it has. That's off apparently, so like 4.